Okay, so the next one that I'm going to plant is these Clemson spineless okras. And these I got from Lowe's. And I'm just going to, they're big enough that I'm just going to drop one to a tray. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to make 2 rows of okra. All right. And then I'm just going to take my soil and put it on top. Just making sure that the soil is in contact with the seed. So that is the Clemson spineless okra. I'm going to make a label for that. And I have here, this one is already written on both sides. Okay, so I'm gonna put that one right there. And this is just the blinds, those the window blinds, some old blinds. And I just cut them like just cut sections of it off and just like made a stake, and that's what I use. This is not my idea. I took this from Beauty in the Garden. So if you guys don't know who she is, go and check her out. It's called Beauty in the Garden. All right, so that is my okra. And now I am going to do my bell peppers. And y'all, this year I'm going all out. I'm going to plant several of each plant because I plan on canning and everything else. I'm going to start on this end this time.
And it's getting stuck to my glove, but that's okay. Okay, so some of them have more than one together. We move those around. Alright, so how are you guys doing today? It is actually December the 21st. So I have two, one here. Let me put one more there, just in case he decides he don't want to grow. Okay, I'll quit on that one. Two, one. I think these two are stuck together. Or is that three? I don't know. We're gonna put one more in there. Alright. So that is actually two pepper plants in this row right here. And these are the bell peppers. So you know what? I'm gonna go for the gusto and do another row of the bell peppers also. We're gonna be some pepper having people. Alright, y'all, so if you have a garden, type it in the chat below and tell me how long have you had your garden? Were you growing for the new season? Are you a new gardener? Are you an experienced gardener? What grow zone are you in? Do you even know what a grow zone is? If you don't know what a grow zone is, you need to go and find out what grow zone you are growing in. And I'm just going to throw him in there because he's been all through the mud, soil, whatever you want to call it. So that is my bell peppers, and these are from my personal bell pepper stash. So I grew these, harvested these in 2021. So we're going to see how well my personal bell peppers grew. Well, will grow, let's say that. Alright, so let me make a label for these. Bell peppers. Alright, and I'm going to put that right there. And we're going to cover these in. Alright, so that's the bell peppers. Now, let's see what's next.
So this is some broccoli seeds. Do I have enough? I do. And these are teeny tiny. So I'm going to take this glove off because you can barely feel with these tiny seeds. You can barely grip them. Let's see if you guys see how tiny they are. Yes. And I'm just going to sprinkle these. It's not an exact science with these. And that's it for the broccoli. I don't think I have any more broccoli seeds. So I'm put that to the side. Let me find a label before I forget what these are.
Okay, that's my broccoli.
All right, so here are some asparagus seeds. They're a little bit bigger than the broccoli seeds. They kind of look like the okra seeds, but they're blacker. So I'm just gonna put one to a space. 3, 4. Did I have a seed in my hand? I don't know. 5. Child, let me see what I'm doing. I don't know. So I'm doing 2 rows of asparagus also. I don't think that went in there. So that is my asparagus. And that was 2 rows of the asparagus seeds. Okay, so now I'm going to do some dill, D-I-L-L, dill, which I have never had success. Oh yes, I do. I have one little plant over there that's growing. So now I'm going to try for some more. There we go. Like that. All right. And I'm just going to spread these out. Okay, so that's the dill. And then I'm going to put the thyme right next to the dill. Move this one over. And I've never had success with thyme either, but guess what? 2023 is going to be my year. I don't even have that much time. Ha! I don't have that much time. Ha ha. Okay, here we go. We're gonna try it. All right, so we're gonna make a thyme. I don't know how we get a dill seed over here. All right. So y'all, this video is pretty long right here, so we're gonna stop at the time. Let me put the dill, see what I'm saying? Let me put the dill back into the bag before I have dill seeds everywhere. We don't have any more time, so we have to get some more time from the store. Putting the dill seed back in the bag. So y'all, there's gonna be a part 2 to this video. So thank you for watching this video. Stay tuned for part 2. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button, like and subscribe. Share me with your family and your friends. Catch me in my lives. Follow me on Instagram, TikTok, and I think that's it. Check out my business sites. I'm not gonna name them all here. They're in my links below. Everything that I'm linked. Comment below. And I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.